All right, let's clear up one of the trickiest spots in English grammar.
Yep, we've all been there. But guess what? There's one simple rule to clear it all up.
That's it. Seriously, it all comes down to the subject of your sentence.
First up is the don't group. Use it for I, you, we, they, and any plural noun. The sentence structure is super simple. It's just the subject, then don't, then the verb. For example, our subject is we, so we're going to use don't. Simple as that.
See? The subject they is plural, so it takes don't. Easy. Now, what about the other group?
Okay, on to the doesn't group. This one's for he, she, it, and any singular subject.
Here the subject is he, so this time we gotta use doesn't.
This bus is singular, so again we use doesn't. You see the pattern, right?
Now, this is super important. It's what happens to the verb. This is the biggest takeaway.
Notice the S from speaks is gone? That's because the does in doesn't already has it.
Of course, you know English. There are always exceptions. A couple big ones don't use either.
When you're using the verb to be, just add not right after it. No do or does needed. For example, is just becomes is not. This works for other verbs like can, too.
Okay, ready for a rapid recap? Let's see these rules in action. David is singular, so what do we use?
Yep.
Doesn't. We is plural, so that means it has to be don't.
And here's that base verb rule again. It's doesn't have, not doesn't has. Perfect.
So the key is the subject. Now you know the secret, you're going to notice it everywhere. Go listen.